Hey, what's up guys? Nandito tayo sa Intramuros dahil hanap tayo ng stranger. Kita natin si Idol, oh. Puntahan natin. Kasi papashout out natin si Sharon na taga-Pikit. Ay, hindi ko alam. Marunong akong mag-English nito. Try ko lang. Tara. Hi bro. Are you okay? Can you join the vlog? What's your name? I'm Nas Dimas. How do you say Sharon? Do you know Sharon?
Sharon?
Oh, Sharon. Say Sharon Puditan Kuska. Say Sharon Puditan Kuska. Puditan Kuska.
I'm not saying.
Come on, bro.
Trying to make me say something I don't want to say.
Do you know?
No, I don't know what it is, but you're smiling.
I smile.
You're smiling.
Smile. Okay. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
So, sorry guys, di niya alam banggitin yung puditan ko si Sharon. Sayang si Sharon, laki nun.